past few months, our living room had become a work zone and sort of a catch-all space for trash, tools, and everything that we were using to renovate and fix up the kitchen. So it was a big mess. And thankfully, my mom was able to come and help me sort it out and get it ready so that we could actually start to make it into a real living room. Hello. We haven't been in this corner in a while because we haven't been able to do very much over here. It's been a work zone, but my mom came over and helped me clean up this section a little bit so that we would be able to paint in the living room, which is where this is. The walls of the living room that are shared walls to the kitchen still need a few more coats of mudding, and the dining room doors still need a little more mudding, and also they need to have their trim. So I know this is a little silly, but I am going to paint this wall and that wall because this wall is like ready to go. That wall, during the drying of this coat, I am gonna mud a little more. The paint color I chose is chilled wine, which I was definitely influenced by Paige Wassel and Kate Leonard because they use it in Paige's videos. They've used it in like bathrooms, kitchens. It feels like it has just the right amount of green in it, where this type of like kind of strange lighting. This window has a lot of diffuse lighting that comes through, so I feel like that sort of undertone of like greenish color, a little bit like yellowy, creamy sort of color will look really nice in this type of lighting. That's how I feel. That's what I think. I bought a lot of it because I have to do so many rooms with it, because this space is like the living room and the dining room, and also it leads up to the hallway upstairs, and all the walls are connected. There's not like much of a break. So I thought about painting the dining room and hallway different colors than this space, and I thought that I just wouldn't like how that looked. So I'm gonna go ahead and just paint the whole space this color. I think that that'll go well. We'll see. But for today's project, it's these two walls. I'm gonna sand them and then I'm gonna paint them. $10, and they should fit this window. They're not like the best curtains I've ever seen, but they are nice-ish. They will fit. They're white, so they'll be like nice and bright. If I don't like the color, I can dye them, but all I really need from them is to be able to close when it's nighttime. So we'll see how that looks. It's like almost dry. I think it's pretty dry. You like it?
Yeah.
Look at this.
Whoa.
Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
Ta-da!
Oh, it's pretty. It's perfect length.
Yep.
Wow. Nice job.
Thank you. This side has some of the little white things are like missing, so I had to skip some.
Wow.
Ta-da! Yep. And then we can figure out what color for the trim and baseboards. We could keep them white. I kept them white for now until we figure it out. And that's all for this week's video. There's a lot happening in the house. I mean, you know, we're still trying to move in, and I'm working on like 3 videos at the same time, so there's longer videos getting put together, but this is just a little snippet of some more kind of fun things, because painting and decorating is definitely way more fun than mudding and installing trim, at least to me personally. So hopefully there will be a lot more of that coming up, which is exciting. I'm so happy with these curtains. They look so good, and they're the perfect size for this space. They're the perfect width and the perfect length. The only issue is that the actual curtain track two of the things that slide are broken on that side, so I had to just like skip over them. So it makes it like a little bit not quite right, but I think that I can fix that eventually. I really can't wait to put the sofas in here and the rug and like actually clean the floors. That's like so exciting. I can't wait to do that. But I gotta finish mudding, sanding, and painting the rest of this space, and then we can move on. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
Hello. You finished your outro?
Mm-hmm.